How to spot a risky board member. Interesting. So we get hired quite often to do due diligence on board members, and when there's high profile cases or irregularities that are happening within leadership, we are hired to do investigation and do audits. And because we are leading ethnographers and we do trend analysis, we go deep into the underbelly and then, look at where all the red flags are. And our methods and how we do it really help us to identify all of the red flags. Anyway, the first place where we usually go is to look at the visibility of the people that we need to audit. Now, look, sometimes it is about who's the next CEO. There's 3 candidates to double check that they are, they are legit and that they are good leaders and that they are going to be in alignment with the organization. What have they said out there? How are they leading? What is their thought leadership? Like, all of those things matter. But then there's also obviously people that's involved with dodgy things, and then seeing, where is the breadcrumbs, and then investigating that. And the first place we always start is with visibility. A person that is non-existent, a ghost online, is a big red flag. So if you have, say for example, a LinkedIn account, or you have a Facebook account, or you've got an Instagram account, but there's never any posts since 10 years ago, and you're just not communicating to the world, and you're working in a world of digital, that's already a red flag for investors. It's a red flag for consumers. And in the time of shareholder activism and boycotting, these things are becoming more and more important for thought leaders and for leadership to be more vocal and have their presence known. And so this is how we immediately start our investigation and prioritize our investigation. And the funny thing is, we've once had to deal with a very, very high profile case, and I have to tell you, we were 90% accurate. And this is why it is so important for you, if you want to build trust as a leader, if you want to get onto a board, is to ensure that you are continuously communicating your value to the world, and building your body of work and having things to say, not just photo ops and appearing for a photo at an event, but really what is the things that you have to say. Who do you surround yourself with is also very important. So yeah, it's interesting, and I thought I'd share it with you. Is visibility is key if you want to serve on boards, because those things do get checked, especially depending on the type of roles that you will fill on these boards. Anyway, I hope that helped. Have a great day. Bye.